gonna guide you through how to find Apple ID password on iPhone. You cannot directly quote unquote reveal your Apple ID password if you have forgotten it, but you can find it if it is saved, right? Or easily reset it. So check your saved password, right? In the native passwords app, click all and tap Apple ID, right? Or Apple simply, okay? Or reset your password via settings. So go back to your screen, go ahead to settings, click your name, right? And sign out as if you're gonna sign in with Apple again, but instead of adding your password in case you forgot it, click forgot or forgot this password or forgot the password, and they're gonna walk you through how to recover your password. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Until next time, see you.